right side? Alright. What?
God damn it, Christian. I heard them twin turbos. Well, I heard them twin turbos. Twin turbos, I heard them. I don't even know what the fuck they are, but yeah, I heard them. That was the engine. If y'all hear this in the video, that was the engine.
Alright. Too close to me, I swear to God.
What's up?
I know.
Don't do that.
Why, you scared?
And we're at the lakeside pool. So I guess we don't need my card no more. What you say? I got Avery's parking spot right here. Oh, I almost fell. But yeah, I'm about to swim. So what we do, we about to swim. I got the flannel on, you already know how I'm coming. Huh? What's fucking? Yeah! Wanna do it again? Buddy Avery, what's up, man?
What's up, my man?
Congratulations.
Wait, what? I know you did.
Congrats on graduating. I'm not a car guy, so I don't know what the hell's going on. I'm not a car guy, I don't know what's going on.
1.4 liter.
I think your lights are on.
They really are.
Them look pretty clean.
Oh, let's stare at them till they turn off.
Alright, we'll stare at them. We're staring right now. It's pretty neat. It's pretty neat.
It's probably neater than my fucking fidget spinner.
Hey, check it out.
Do it again. Do it again.
Yeah. I ran around the corner and I put it in neutral and I slammed on the
This engine though. Light the lights. Huh? No, right? That's what we do. Bro, where the challenges at, bro? Let's go look for the challenges. Challenges. Right here, bro. And we are live.
See this interior right here, bro? Christian be sneaking this in all the time, bro. He's like, Camaro interior is trash. No.
The Jules went. He done lost freaking Jules. Where?
Right there, dude.
Oh, this is my first car meet, to be honest. This is my first car meet. I never been here before, so this is like a brand new experience for me, seeing all these cars. But honestly, I want to get a Challenger soon, when I start working again. I really want one. I do not have a scooter. I have an Uber.
Come to the go-kart plane.
Oh, they're talking about over there.
Yeah, let's just go.
Is that so?
Yeah, Vapors Life. I know there's 2 Chainz. I wanted to get stock Genesis rims and do them bronze like that. Oh, for real? Like a golden brownish.
Oh my god, yeah. This whole clean right here, boy.
Bring that ass here, boy.
Say no more.
Hey, but y'all not checking the shoe game out.
I know. This old Mustang? How y'all get on my head for not knowing cars, huh?
He says this an old Mustang. I gotta check this shit out.
He said that's an old Mustang.
That's an old
He
Mustang.
says this an old Mustang? No.
Boy, if you don't get your ass.
That's an old Mustang.
Don't you ever disrespect the fucking
car right there, I
skyline
see
ever
Jules'
again.
y'all can go. Y'all can go.
Oh, we're standing here. That's that time.
Oh my god.
You got that?
I think so.
It's on the ground. It's
What's up, bro? Where you been, bro? It has been a minute. I saw you yesterday. What's up, bro? This is for the vlog.
Yeah, I know. I was able to shift that out.
Bro, she drives out of the steering wheel, bro.
Huh?
She drives out of the
bro.
vlogging.
Alright, let's keep walking. Watch the
Y'all like hit that subscribe button too.
Damn. Damn.